Today I'm going to show you the Coach's Playbook app. What we see right now is football. It has over 15 different sports you can choose from. All you do is choose the sport icon here. And you can scroll through and find whichever sport that you want to create your play for. Here we'll choose basketball, and it'll show you the field for that sport. You can also click on the icon here, and you can choose like a half court or half field if that's available for your sport. A lot of different player options here to set up the field. Click here, you can see in this case we can pick the ball for that sport, in this case basketball, and we can add it anywhere on the court, move it around, make it whatever size you want it to be. Also click on the player icon. You can add things like typical X's and O's, positions. In this case for the sport of basketball, different sports, we'll choose point guard, different colors, sizes to make it fit your needs. And again, you just click on it and move it around. Some of the other ones are numbers, letters, or even players, and I'll show you that here in a minute. You can also, there, if you click on the pen here, you can choose different colors of pens and different styles of pens. Here we'll change the color blue. This, you can see, draw different things on the screen. Also an eraser option. You can erase different things. There's a text icon. You can click there. Add text, different fonts as well. Also, if you want to change anything, there's an undo option where you can take away changes you've made or add them back. Once you've created the play, you can click on this gear icon up here. You can save it and give it a name. You can also load previously save plays you have. Here I'll pick a play. Let's pick this passing play. This is a football play here. You can see it loads up the library, all the players you have. Also, once you have a play here, you can also animate it by hitting the play button. You'll see once you do that, that the play will start building just as you created it. You can pause it if you want. If you want to pick out a particular part of the play, you can start it again, slow it down, fast forward it. You can see it draws the lines, kind of helps the players understand how you were designing it. If you want, you can also share the play with your team. Click here, share play. Any of the particular apps you have on your phone, anything Facebook, email, any of those types of things, you can share the play with your team that way as well. There's also a team feature in here called My Teams. Click on that and you can see different teams that you've saved in here. We'll pick one. Pick this Eagles here, baseball team. And just the ad that comes up, but it shows your particular players that you have, team, what the sport is. Click on this player here. You can see there's information like their first, last name, number, what position they play, email, phone numbers. Here, if you click on the email icon, you can actually send an email directly to that player, or if you click on the phone numbers, you can call them really quickly to save you some time. And also a nice thing about creating a team like this is, let's go into that sport, we'll go into baseball. So instead of having to pick that player's number, here where we have a team like that, you can see it says Eagle players, so we can just click on that. And then right here you have all your players. You can just quickly pick which team member you want. In this case we'll pick Chase, and it automatically knows it's number 17, and you can change the other colors and just add them to the screen like that. And I know this kind of went through some of this fairly quickly, but there's also a detailed help section you can go into. Click help and you can scroll through this and it'll show you all the things that the app is capable of doing. And just hit the back button to get out of that. And that's the Coach's Playbook app.